Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about Johnson and Johnson, and this is one of the stock which has been in the news time after time. So let us see what's important in this chart and how this chart is moving. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, overall, we have a very long-term chart. 40 years worth of data we have over here. And over a period of time, if you are looking at the returns, it is saying 10,800%. Do not forget the splits and the dividends which one has already achieved if he or she is holding it for the long term. Now, looking at the chart, you will see different kind of things that has happened over a period of time. Once you understand that, you will get to know how and what are the important things that you need to look at if you want to play this kind of stocks. And mind you that this is not the kind of stock which can move very significantly in a short amount of time until and unless there is some very big news, because these are global brands, right? Now if you're looking at this chart, what you can see is this one. Okay, what is this? This is your previous trend, right? From 1984 till I would say 2005, because after that momentum has shifted. So this is your previous trend, right? And then we have seen that a trend slowdown has happened. Now there is another way to look at this particular trend. Let me show it to you. If you're looking at the overall chart, stock may go into consolidation, may go into a correction after a very big move. But even in consolidation or correction, the stock can give you profit over a period of time. If you're looking at this chart, this is the first wave or move we have has happened, and then the momentum has shifted like this. So as you can see, there is a sharp change as far as the momentum is concerned, because stock is now moving very slowly, because in this time frame the stock has given 3,500% worth of return, and after that it has given only 166% return in the last 15 or 16 years, which means it is a time correction. The stock has not performed well, but it is indeed a time correction. So after this gets over, there will be a time when the stock bounce back again. But this is for the long term. Now coming back to the trend or the momentum we currently have here, something like this. Right now, the momentum we have here we are, is in between $215 on the upside, and you have your stop loss at $130, right? So this is the current range. Probably the stock will move like this unless it again comes back and grab the momentum. So this is what is the current trend is telling you. But once the momentum will start, it will go something like this beyond the range. So once that happen, you will see again the stock will make a breakout and move like this. In that scenario, this previous trend line will become your target or resistance line. The only thing we do not know, because the stock is no doubt in an uptrend, but as we have seen in the longer term time frame, it is in a consolidation. So the thing is, until and unless this consolidation gets over, and probably we have to wait for the stock to surpass, there is one more level to surpass this range, which is in between 376 and 589, this big range. So once the stock start moving beyond this line like this, then we will have our big target, which will be in between 1500 and there are be $4,000 somewhere in between this range. So this is now a slow moving stock, as I've told you, but over a period of time, the kind of move it is like a first wave, then a consolidation or correction wave is going on for the past couple of years, and there will be a time when the consolidation will get over and something will happen, some news, something, because market perceives things in a much faster manner when there is no news, and suddenly you will see that the stock started moving up. So it will take time. Once that happens, you will see a move like this. So this is what we have here as far as the big chart or the trend is concerned, as far as Johnson & Johnson stock. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.